All right, check it out. Dryer vent coupling. Let's get it out of its package. Bam, there it is. Crazy. Super, super strong. Comes with, anchors. It's got 2 clamps. Here's the directions in case you don't know how to do it. But I gotta tell you how strong this is. I want to show you. It's so hard to get apart. I mean, you really gotta push it. There we go. See that? That is amazing. It's so, so hard. Look at this. I'm gonna show you. Watch. Now we're getting close. It's pulling. Oh, you see that? Bam. All right, you hook this. You can hook this to the dryer, hook this to the wall, or you could hook this to the dryer and this to the wall. It's your choice. They come with the 2 clamps. You can go either flathead or your other type of screwdriver, or Phillips head. You can go flathead or Phillips head with this. And yeah, now we just got to put it on our Samsung over there. Oh boy. Well, I'll try to record that so you guys can see me do that. But yeah, get it right here on Amazon, and they work great, man. Super good. Put her back in the box for now, and then when we put it in, I'll show you guys how it's done. It's really simple. It's just 2 clamps.